Hello lovely audience, welcome to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a poll in your WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app. Firstly, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application, and after opening the application, just simply go to the group where you want to create a poll. Step 2. Create the poll. Now after coming to the group where you want to create the poll, just simply click to this attachment button down to your WhatsApp app, and after clicking there you can see this poll option at the bottom. Just simply click into that. Step 3. Customize the poll. Now after clicking to the create poll button, you just simply have to ask your question into this question tab, and after that you can add your options into the options here. You can also customize the options as you want. You can add or remove the options as according to your need. And after selecting all the options, you can give the permissions to select multiple answers for the members. This is optional option for your suitability. And after doing all these customizations, just simply click to this send button at the bottom right corner. After doing this, your poll will be successfully created into your WhatsApp group. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.